Guys, I just making a website up for my own goods. Yeah, I'ma show you later. I just finished it, bro, guys, on just 2 minutes.
Dandruff and dry hair? Switch to Sunsilk Anti-Dandruff, a 2-in-1 solution with tea tree oil and aloe vera to remove dandruff para healthy, smoothing hair. Dandruff ang healthy, smooth hair.
Out now, next week. Promise. And the website called ballhaven.ph. That's the website called. You can check it, bro. Products.
You couldn't wait to be the Oreos.
Binebenta mong products. Yes, guys. I'm selling products that you will purchase. Yeah. This is my script that JavaScript, guys. It works functionally good, guys, and so visually.
Buhay ang sarap at aroma na nagsasabi. Love na love ka namin ako at Maggie. Kasama. Ang batang dito, na igagaling pa sa tulong ng new laptop 3 Plus. May dagdag DJ, tulong para dagdag galing.
Kuya, kulang sukli.
Galing-galing. Tulong ng Vivo Plus sa tulong ng laptop 3 Plus.
Ang programang ito ay rated SPG. Striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masiselang tema, lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata.
Sa Haro, Iloilo. Narito sa Tarlac City. Mula dito sa Katalan, Camiguel, Ike.
that's it, guys. I just finished my website.
Integrated Waste Solutions Incorporated
You can
subsidiary ng
contact me on this contact me on this platform, and then this platform. I have many platform to use, but I'm not really active on other app application or platform. I'm only active on YT, on YouTube. Yes,
Meron dito MRF.
That's it, guys.
Recovery o mapapakinabangan.
that's it, guys. I just show you what I done. I just finished,
Itinabagsak na lang sa
and it's work fully functional. You can check it on, and I'm absolutely new to creating Scratch website right now, but last year I learned how to program a web as a developer, but now I just finished my website called ballhaven.ph on this platform called, yes, that's it, bye bye.